Hello and welcome! If you are new to meditation and you do not know how to start, this video is for you. It only takes a few minutes a day to meditate, and you will start feeling the benefits quickly with regular practice. If you are hesitating to start meditation, maybe it is because you are not sure how to meditate or even why meditating. I personally meditate because of one key reason that I am sharing with you now. We cannot always control what happens to us or what life throws at us. But we do have the potential to change the way we react to life. Meditation helps us better control how we react. It is about observing what is happening rather than reacting to it. We observe without acting by slowing down during a few minutes, checking in with ourselves, and observing our thoughts without judgment. If you are new to meditation, you may wonder, what do I need to do to start meditating? The good news is that meditation doesn't require much, and it is very easy to get started if you follow these simple advices and basics. Number 1, what matters the most with meditation is consistency. Ideally, meditate a few times a week or even better, daily. Number 2, the best time to meditate is whenever you can. It doesn't matter when or where you meditate, so choose whatever time works best for you. Number 3, it only takes a few minutes to meditate. A short meditation can be 5 minutes or less. Once we have a consistent practice, we will naturally slowly increase our time spent meditating. Number 4, get comfortable. Sit and dress however feels good to you. As long as the back is straight, neck and shoulders are relaxed, and our chin is slightly tucked, we can sit wherever we feel comfortable for the duration of the meditation. We can sit on our couch, a dining or office chair, propped up by pillows on the bed, or on the cushion. Number 5, try guided meditation to learn from experts. Guided meditation is a type of meditation led by a teacher who explains what to do. These experts know how the mind works. They will prompt you to breathe or think certain ways during the meditation that will help you focus your attention and or visualize specific scenes. Number 6, there is no bad meditation. If you have trouble meditating at first, that's okay. There's no right or wrong way to meditate. You will progress over time. It happened to all of us. I hope you enjoyed these 6 tips on how to start meditation for beginners. If you enjoyed this video, please share, like and subscribe. It will help others get access to this content. Thank you.